Have you ever noticed something strange about mirrors? Your right hand looks like your reflection's left hand. But mirrors don't actually swap left and right. So what's really happening? Look into a mirror. You see yourself, but something strange is happening. Your reflection isn't actually inside the mirror. So where is it? These big questions. Try this. Raise your hand. The mirror copies you instantly, faster than any robot. But the mirror doesn't need time to think. It just follows a simple rule of light.
Your mirror isn't a magic screen. It's not really showing you. It's just catching light from your face and sending it straight back.
Light leaves your face, travels to the mirror, and bounces back to your eyes. And light is unbelievably fast. It can bounce from your face to the mirror and back in less than a blink. Imagine riding on a beam of light. Everything you see in a mirror starts with light bouncing. But light hits lots of things. Walls scatter light everywhere. But mirrors are extremely smooth. Next time you look in a metal spoon or a shiny car, you're seeing tiny mirror-like reflections too. Most mirrors are glass with a thin metal coating behind it. That metal layer is what reflects the light. If mirrors were rough like a wall, your face would look like a melted pancake.
There's an important rule. When light hits a mirror, the angle it arrives is the same angle it leaves every single time.
Here's the surprising part. Your reflection isn't inside the mirror. It only looks like it is. Your brain traces the light backwards, so your brain places the image behind the mirror. That's called a virtual image. The mirror doesn't create reflections. It simply returns light, and your brain finishes the picture.
A mirror is just a very smooth surface. It catches light from you and bounces it back to your eyes as you in the mirror.
Z's Big Questions. If you want to keep learning big ideas like this, check out more Z's Big Questions episodes on the channel to get curious, get smart, and keep exploring. Thanks for watching. See you next time, friends.